Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. Hey, it's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude with Feel Free to Feel Free. Today's video is all about balance and stability. I'm learning more and more about balance in my life. All the things, responsibilities I have to balance. It is important for me to figure out how to do it, all right? And yoga helps me to do that. If not in the rest of my life, at least while I'm on this mat, I can find a sense of balance, a sense of harmony. And balance just starts with me, with being able to be present, being in the moment, breathing, taking a breath, getting everything I need in me and releasing everything I don't need out of me, all right? Moving those scales, moving those things around. And when we breathe, that is a process. Bringing in what you need, moving out what you don't, and creating a sense of balance within yourself. Let's do that. We're gonna balance using our alternate nostril breathing. This is a funky, fresh breath that, I don't wanna say funky, I'm talking about breath, but this is a breath that I learned that was weird to me initially, like, it's kind of weird, but now I see how important it is to help me balance. Everybody put your left hand up just like this. You go ahead, just like that. Put your left hand just like this. I'm gonna put my left thumb onto my left nostril. You do the same. Thank you, good job. Close that nostril off. And then I'm gonna inhale through my right nostril, breathe in. Good, now I'm gonna pinch both nostrils closed, so no air coming in, no air coming out. And then I'm gonna lift that left thumb and exhale, let the air out. Then I'm gonna inhale through that left nostril, breathe in. Pinch, no air coming in or out. Exhale out of that left, right side. Letting it go. All right, so we're going back and forth. Let's inhale through the right. Pinch. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the right. Pinch. Exhale through the left. Awesome. When you get over the fact that you got your hand right there in your nose, when you get over the fact that it's weird, it's new, it's challenging, it's different, it's awkward, you feel a sense of balance. The more you practice that alternate breathing where you're brain is getting oxygenated through those different sides of the nostrils, the more you have the opportunity to feel that balance you are seeking so desperately in your life. I want this to work out here, I want this to work out here, I want all those pieces and parts to come together. Well, let's first be balanced within ourselves before we start to balance everything outside in the world. And in yoga, we do that by inhale. Let's all breathe in, bring both hands up to the sky, reach up, stretch it up. Wiggling up to the left and to the right. Oof. Working through the body. Once again, you can do this in this easy seated pose or legs straight out or whatever, but just pulling the hands left and right, stretching up to the back, stretching up to the legs, the arms. Good. Oh, finding that balance there. Oh, that feels better already. Getting the spine elevated, the shoulders stretching, and the heart rate going. Good. Now, I'm going to slowly come onto my hands and my knees into this tabletop position, one of our foundational positions. Bring your hands and your knees into this tabletop position. Once again, fingers spread wide, palm pressing to the ground. Knees and hips are aligned. Body is flat, good. Now, I'm going to balance out my spine by inhale coming up for a cow. Roll the shoulders back. Feel that stretch in the lower back. In the mid back, and then as I exhale, tuck the tailbone, arching the spine, bring the belly up through the back, tucking the chin towards the chest. Good. It's a great way to balance out the movement of the spine, the forward and backward bend. Open it up. Ooh. Good. Exhale, curl under. Nice. Inhale slowly, coming back into that neutral position, this tabletop here. Working on our balance. All right, this is going to be strength and stability, as well as focus and concentration. That's what it comes down to. As long as you are breathing and moving, you're just doing it fine. You're doing perfect. I'm going to take this left knee, and I'm going to slide it back. Good. Maybe you press the toes to the ground. You can feel the difference in not having the knee and the foot on the ground, now just having the foot. Feel that balance there. You may want to stay there. If you want to check out the balance even more, go ahead and bring that left foot off the ground. Find that balance there. I'm going to turn my left hip down. So my left pocket on my left hip comes down instead of being open like this. Close that hip down. I'm pulling the top of my head towards the front of my mat. My heel, I'm pulling my heel. I don't know why I'm saying heel like that. Heel towards the back of the mat. Good. Now I'm pulling my body in two different directions. Just like life. So many different directions it pulls you in, but still finding balance and stability. And these two hands in the front, and this one knee in the back, the right knee. Good. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Lift that left knee a little bit harder. See what that feels like. Good. Exhale, drop that knee down. Pushing it back into a child's pose for a second. Recalibrate, relax, renewal, drop it into it. Good. Inhale slowly, coming on up. Good. I'm gonna do a cat cow because it feels good. Inhale, to my cow, bring the spine up. Exhale, curl it over into the cat. Good. Inhale, coming up. Relax on the exhale. Next inhale, I'm gonna send the right leg back down. Oh, right leg goes back, toes. I can tuck them down and bring that heel down. You can point the toes too. Bring that right hip down so it's not open. I'm pulling the top of my head, so I'm looking down, not straight down like that, yanking my neck, just right in front of me, right in front of my hands. And the top of my head is pulling away. My spine is stretching, my whole body is stretching here. Good, I'm like one of those pointer dogs, just stretching towards what I want to go after. For that stretch here. Good, good, good. Lift the leg up a little bit higher. Breathe. Keep that leg nice and solid. Ooh, I feel it burn in my legs. Exhale, drop it down. This time I want to go straight into it. If you need a child's pose, please take it.